Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Jai Gala with Platform, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Platform account with HubSpot. HubSpot is an email automation tool and a CRM. The purpose of this integration is going to be for you to be able to send new Platform members into HubSpot so that you can remarket to them with advanced email automation tools. As a reminder, if you need any help integrating Platform with HubSpot or help with anything else within your Platform account, reach out to us through the Support Hub in Platform. You can click Support Hub. You can look through all of our frequently asked questions, which are drop-down menus here where you can read the content within it. Or you can click Chat with us and message us anything you need when we're online. Or you could submit a ticket. Or you can click Help Docs and get more in-depth information about this and anything else regarding Platform. If you don't have a Platform account, you can sign up for a free trial today at platformarea.com. And for this video that we're doing today with HubSpot, you are going to need a HubSpot account as well. If you don't have a HubSpot account, you can go to HubSpot.com and grab yourself an account as well. Moving forward through the rest of this video, I'm going to be assuming that you already have a HubSpot account. If you do, let's get this video started by going to log in. From your HubSpot dashboard, you're going to want to click Contacts and go to Lists. And you're going to want to make sure that you have a contact list in here already. If you do, let's jump back over to Platform and we're going to scroll down to App Settings. And then we're going to go to Marketing. And then we're going to look for HubSpot, and we're going to click HubSpot. And now Platform is asking us for HubSpot's API key. So to grab the API key, we're going to jump back to our HubSpot account. And to get the API key within HubSpot, from the dashboard, we are going to click this gear icon up in the upper right-hand corner. This is the settings icon. We'll click that. And then we'll go to Integrations, and we'll click API Key. And now you can click Create Key. And check mark the reCAPTCHA to signify that you are not a robot. Select traffic lights. And HubSpot gave us an API key. So we can click Copy, and now this key is copied to our clipboard. We can also right click and copy it, or we can Control-C it from our keyboard to copy it. And then we will come back over to Platform and we will paste in our HubSpot API key by holding the Control button and clicking the V button on our keyboard. And then we're going to click Save. Once saved, Platform now is going to render us a drop-down menu with the lists that are in my HubSpot account. So I'm going to drop these people onto our Platform Members 2 list, and we're going to click Save. And now we are connected with HubSpot. We have our API key and our list selected. Now again, with this integration and any other ones, you're going to want to test it before you go live with it or consider it live that you're sending traffic to it. So let's test this by adding a member in our Platform. So we're going to go to Members, and we're going to add a member, and we're going to add Alex again. And we're going to give him a password, and we're going to click Save. When we click Save, Alex should be created as a member in Platform, and his contact information, his name and his email, should be sent to HubSpot on the list that we selected. So I'm going to click Save. And as we can see, Alex is now created as a member in our Platform account. So let's go back over to the HubSpot dashboard and see if he was imported correctly. And I'm going to refresh. And from Contacts, I'm going to go down to Lists. And now we can see Platform Members 2 has a list size now of 1 person. And we're going to click that list, and we're going to see if he's in there. And he is in there. Alex Cobb, AlexCobbPlatform@gmail.com. and the date that he was created, which was today at 8:41 a.m. So I would consider that a successful test of the integration between Platform and HubSpot. If you have any questions about this or anything else, reach out to us on support, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.